Hi, my name is Gayan Madhushankar. My student ID is 1623927. XML, RPC and Java RMI recycle machine code demonstration. First we check XML RPC part. This part is two sides, client side and server side. First we run server. This is a XML RPC server GUI. When we run the server class, first run main method. When run main method, create new web server object. This is a web server new object. Port number is 801. Call new server object. Now we go to engineer registration file, register engineer registration panel like this. Engineer name, username and passwords. Register new engineer. Engineer name Gayan, username password 123. Okay. This is a registered engineer details. We have action handler class in the server side for the handle more actions. Action handler class. The server action handler. Engineer registration process handle in the action handler class. This place create new engineer object. Engineer object was ID, name, username and passwords. Engineer ID take by new register engineer object size. New IDs generate using array list. Register engineer array list. This is a new registered engineers add to array list this place. New registered engineer, new array list. Load server registered engineer. Register engineer load to this table like this. This is the connection request table. This table used to show the engineer connection request. This table used to engineer connection request. Server admin can click on the request, give the approve for the engineers. This process control in the server mouse listener class in the place. Server mouse listener class. This page get the table connection request and get the selected row. After that, give the approve the request. It will be at the connected client list. Same process had to table reset process like this. When server approve the engineer reset request, machine is reset. Connected client showing here, registered engineers showing here like this. Reset request showing here and connection request showing here. This combo box showing connected client. When we select the client, when we select the connected client, transaction will be showing here, engineer login showing here, connection request showing here, and also reset request showing here. Now I will show you how to show it. First we registered engineer. One, two, three. Register engineer. Run the recycle GUI. This is the engineer login panel. Type username and also password, login. This is the engineer panel. Engineer can send the connection request. This is a connection request. Server admin can accept the connection request. This is a connected client. As also we can see the displays connected client. Engineer login and connection request. Reset request not yet. And also transaction details is not yet. Bag, can, bottle and create. All count is 0 like this. We can see the max weight 10,000 and max size 1000 like this. Now we check the code. this place get the selected IP address like this. I have to show the data like this: bag count, bottle count, can count, crate count, weight label and size label. This is the place transaction log. When a client click transaction and insert item, create a transaction log. Client data, time, item, value, transaction logs, create it. Transaction are called array list, the place where the all transactions are saved. This is array list. Transaction log. Connected clients, registered engineers, connected request, reset request, engineer logs and chat logs. All details save this array list. This place is chat area in the server. Server can connect with the engineers and engineer can chat with server admins. Use this chatbot. It's like this. So open chat. This place is change value place. Server admin can change the connected client, add item values. Change the value like this. We check the code. Server action handler. Item client combo is a change value combo. This combo box. This is a change value code segments. Choosing going to the connecting clients array list, these values are saved in the client objects. This is the item client combo. Connected client. Choosing going to the connected client array list, these values are saved into the client objects. So this is a client objects. Big value, bottle value, can value, create values. Default client objects. This is a button, update button, value update button. This button, this area select the correct client, set the value, set the updated value, this place. This is a summary. I will show you the code how to I will get the summary like this. Go to the code, server, click the load summary method. This is summary line 1. This place is get summary line 1. I using hash map. This is a summary line 1 code, as well as this is a summary line 2 section, summary line 3 and summary line 4. I'll use hash map for get the details. Engineer having most of the logins. Current service client is most of the transactions. This is all about server side. Now we go to the client side. Now we run recycle GUI. This is a recycle GUI engineer panel. This is a engineer panel. This place I have created XML RPC client objects. I have created the server details class. This is server details class, server IP, port number, this place. This place get client details get save client details. Method check client connected or not. Place connect or not. Client is connected, recycle GUI will show. If not connected, engineer logins will be shown. This place I will check register status. This condition is true. This condition is true. Load the design. It's a false. Engineer logins will be load. Here I will check engineer login method. I will check the username and passwords. It's the engineer's login. Check username and passwords. It's true. Create engineer log new objects. Engineer log new objects. This place get the 3 parameters: username, password, IP address. Engineer panel. Engineer panel check how about engineer connection work. Engineer action listener. Connect button. This is how work. Check conditions and connect buttons. When click connect button, it will send get client IP add to connection request. It will add to a array list with connect the connection request. Button objects. Set requests are also like this. Click empty buttons will delete weight and size current machines. I will show you the code. Empty button work like this. Delete weight and size current machines. Click the empty button, delete current weight and size. I'm here. Create a new chat objects. Set engineer with engineer ID. Set message for the text area. It will send to the server get chat history. Execute method. Here XML RPC client object create. This is add item method. This is the how to use get max weight and max size. Check max weight and max size to value assign with value assign. Displays check the max weight and max size. This is all about XML RPC part. Now we check the RMI part. First run the RMI server. I use server runner class and to run the server runner method to run server. Server interface connect all method I have used in the server. This is the all method. Client can use their procedures. This is the server interface objects. I run the RMI server interface. It's same interface like XML RPC. I have used separate class implement server interface. Server interface. Override all the methods in server interface methods. Server class extend the unicast remote objects class, and server class extend the JFrame class. Other features are same. Now we check the RMI client part. Recycle GUI. Use getServer method like XML RPC. This is max weight and max size. This method is used to get local PC name of the connected clients. Get computer name method. Everything is same like XML RPC. New added report. I will show you how to work report. Registered new engineer. This is a 5 charts. These are total transactions by clients. These are total transactions by item wise. These are all about my XML RPC and RMI Java RMI assignments. Thank you.